So this is what I hear in my office. All the way across the building through a couple of closed doors.